apply the lip stain perfectly. Lip stains are huge right now. I feel like no one really wears regular lipstick anymore because now that you have the option to wear something that's transfer proof and will stay on all day long, why bother? And I get it. I am guilty of it. I have like 10 of them sitting right in front of me. I have one in my hand. I have 3 in my handbag. So they are everywhere. And there's so many great options available. So I thought I'd show you the perfect way to apply it. So especially if you're using like a bold color like I'm going to use today. I'm going to use this nice, beautiful red. This is 612. I think that's the number color. I don't know. This is the water stain lipstick from YSL. It's really nice. It's very layerable. So I like to put it right on. You want to make sure that your lips are hydrated, but they're not like slick. You don't want to have product on them. So maybe like an hour before, put on your lip balm or something, like right after you get out of the shower, and then just kind of like go do some other things. And then when you're about to put your lipstick on, they'll be nice and hydrated and ready to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply. And this one's kind of like buildable. It's a little more sheer. So you can wear it more like a little slight stain, or you can go like full on bold lip. And I always use my fingers. I always use my hands. So I'm kind of blending it in. And then you just want to kind of like layer it in a couple more times. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Okay. Amazing. So if you wanted to, you could use, a lot of times the applicator tips aren't as nice as this one. Like sometimes they're like those thicker, okay. So a lot of times they're like this. So there's like a lot of product on there. They're not super precise. They're a little spongier. So I'll go in with like an actual lipstick brush so I can really get that precision that I want, especially if it's a bolder color. Because when you have a bold lip, you want it to be as precise and clean and crisp as possible. The only other trick that I like to do when I do a lip stain like this, like a bold lip stain, is follow in with a lip pencil. So if you have a lip pencil that matches the color or is similar to the same color, so this is like a Nars lip pencil. What color is this? This is Holy Red, okay? So close enough, right? It's like a bright orangey red. And I like to actually outline my lips so I have a little more definition and kind of give that extra like poutiness, that extra like bit of fullness around the lips. So this is just an example of how you can use a lip liner after you apply your lip color, because we'll take a look now. Little lips, right? So I'm going to go in with my lip pencil. So you always want to make sure it's nice and sharp. And then I kind of use the side of the pencil. So instead of going straight down and going like this, I kind of like turn on its side and use the side of the pencil. So I kind of start, let's see, in the center. I mean, look at how much crisper this edge is, right? It just looks so much more polished. And also because we're layering product, we're adding some more depth, right? So it just looks a little bit richer and a little more luxurious. You do the same thing. This is also, let's test if I can talk while putting lipstick on. This is also great because, like I said, the little applicator tips, it's kind of hard to get super precise and get like a super crisp line around your lip lines. So it's nice to follow in with the lip liner after, even with like a lighter tone, but especially with these bolder colors. When I get to the bottom lip, I usually go a little more straight on because it's easier to draw. Ah, et voila. Much cleaner, much more precise, much more full. Happy? So that's how you can use a lip liner with your lip stain and how to get a perfect bold lip. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope it inspires you to wear a bright, bold color today. Do something crazy, do something a little spicy. I've been in the house too long. So there you have it, a nice bold lip using a lip pencil and lip stain. So if you liked this, please give it a thumbs up, please share, please subscribe, do all the things. If you have any product suggestions of other lip stains that you love, I would love to know what they are. I've tried a lot of them, but any that are not super drying or that you're really into, want to hear about it. And yeah, if you have any additional questions or comments about this video, please feel free to share. If you have any photos of yourself in a nice bold lip, share that as well, because I always like to see. And I hope you guys have a great day.